Hello, and welcome to the How It Works series from Servers.com. Today, we'll be showing you how to create a cloud server in the customer portal. First, log into the customer portal. In the left-hand menu, navigate to Cloud Servers and go to Create and Manage. On this page, click the Create Server button. Select a location to proceed. Choose an operating system image according to your needs. Keep in mind that Windows Server license is charged additionally. Select an hourly or monthly billing plan in the configuration section and hardware characteristics. Next, you will be offered to specify authentication method. It can be an SSH key, password, or both options together. The SSH key should be added or generated on the next step. The backup section offers automatic backups by default, but you can opt out these features if you don't need them. If you need advanced network feature, for example IPv6, you can do that in the corresponding section. Finally, give a name to server and click Create Cloud Server button. After that, it will appear in the list among other cloud servers with the pending status. Upon setup completion, the status will change to active, and your server will be ready for use. And that's it. If you have any questions or queries, please get in touch with our support team. And don't forget to subscribe for upcoming videos in the How It Works series from Servers.com. Thanks for watching.